Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to download NetBeans app on your MacBook. First step is to open your browser. Now click on the search bar and type in download NetBeans on Mac. Scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, click on it. And here you can see different options. Make sure that you have chosen macOS software, click on it. Now your download has been started. It may take some time depending on how fast your internet is. After your download is completed, you can see pop-up like this, click on it. Now click on the .pkg file. Now click on allow to install the software. Now click on install and it is going to ask for your password, so type in your password. After that, your installation process has been started. After your installation is completed, you can simply close this screen and go to Launchpad, and here you can see the NetBeans app. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.